One of the things mar infrastructure. Anyalo ng'isi ni I know. Nintire jomoko manen gi duka Thika Road 20 years ago. To duka neno ma Thika Road ni charge siling 5,000 kata 10,000 per month. But when the 10-lane Thika Road investment not him, gicha oloko ji almost 500,000 to move from one status to the other, middle class. Jok manene low class, mana bara no kende. Bei mar ot sani Thika Road, manene 10 years ago ne chulo 5,000. All of a sudden, because of that infrastructure, it chulo almost 50,000. Rent. So it's very, very expensive along Thika Road. The type of motimore, obey the clubs, obey petrol stations, obey dango matimore on Thika Road, just because of Indionge lakini one tier the location. Nene ki boroma Thika Road, nene ki boroma timo jam, nene ki boroma useless. So that infrastructural development has changed that. Kama towns ma obedo built. Neno kibiro thurwa. Chon kama ne duong ne lungon Rangala. It was a mission center. Manti Rangala girls, Rangala boys bentie, private hospital. No gere gijo mission. But sama no gere barabara. To barabara ka no pang bokado okoma Rangala town. No nego Rangala ni to the ogero new town milungono Gonja. It was a good place no ngia. Ngia ben in Marjo SK. Gurine skunde man kanyogo. There are almost 4 schools kan. Gidaka gi subtal naka gi mission naka big church mara Professor Solange. But sama no ger barabara mali siaya Kilo Road, the new Kilo Road. Obene no ngado ngia town chao. Roki kado kanyuto hinti a very big town inside there. Same to Ahero and whatever. They killed those towns, but Ogero town ma next jande. Koro infrastructure kata SGR, madi koni chande. Obogero towns moko. Makapone SGR madi koni chande bendo lost. Another new towns will come up. To manage development, mangado koloko dioke to duka kanyo. Toyo doka kurun tigere. Koro infrastructure is a big thing. Lakini kendoka tika. Watch my transport. Pini milungo ni Sweden. Naso mukuru. Kacha serikal kaugowi kuom Swedish Railway. Transport industry. Because it's a very rich. Kapone serikal okunyal chulo jopuonj. Karmo dio kao pese bank. To the railway mas Sweden no. To kao loan kanyo. To bro chulo jogo. To chulo go jopuonj. Jogo kapone organized maber. The matatu sector. Instead of serikal diga kao pesa kuom bank. To sako marijo transport. Because a billion is a billion industry. Kanya ma serikal hole pesa. To serikal chulo go jopuonj. Serikal chulo go police. To jogi beendelea. Mana ken organized. Lakini kapo nukelo gikmoka kota lomoko ni wan kod mungikin transport. Kolo chulo serikal naka kel sakos kande. Sani kori wango jo apiko wango kendo matatu. Koro onego bedni un bende un self-regulatory. Okanyaka police mabimdo kwerja apiko nwe wango matatu. Onego bedni at least the sakos madhe makapo matatu wang. To jo ungeyo ni ngama wango matatu to en ngano obedo banned from that place. But the government does not have power, give pesa to say, police every person. Ngado nakabedni can be police themselves. Emomi wan ko the union maru, wan union maru jo apiko. Lakini kapo no bro expect ni police ma serikal onge pesa sani manyalo ndiko go police moko milion 10 to police everybody.
Mano to e chal moro wache dieri mantiere kor gwenge mopogore opogore.